life can be so hard. Oh, so hard. Hey guys, it is actually Friday evening on March 22nd, and I had to find something to do. I'm actually going through a lot, mentally, emotionally, not nothing like severe, but your mind wanders sometimes. So I was like, you know what, let me find something to do. So I found the rest of this paper that I had left from when I attempted to do the wall. Well, not attempted, the wall is partially done. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and use this, what I have, and I'm just going to cover up this little space underneath my cabinet countertop where I store my laundry things. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just wanted to cover this up, so it doesn't matter if the lines are not connecting, but at least it's done, and I am actually enjoying what I done, and I'm glad that I did it because that gave me less things to worry about, and I was able to throw the papers away. So here we go. Guys, I also found this at one of the bins. It is actually one of those touch button things, garbage cans. I don't have a garbage can in my office, so now I do have one. And the fact that it's black, y'all know I liked it, and it was only 50 cents, and it came with the top. And like I said, when you push the button, it opens. So I will show you me doing that. Look at that. Ain't that nice? For 50 cents? Come on, y'all, don't get no better than that. So I am going to put this in my office, okay? We're going to have a little fun with it, and then we're going to start the video for the very next day. Guys, always remember to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Keep on watching now, okay? Video is going to get better. Happy Saturday, everybody. Happy Saturday. It's March 23rd. It's a beautiful day. Let me show y'all what I woke up to. Yes, I'm using my Go Shy Jade. Y'all know what it is. Gotta get them cheekbones flowing. Gotta get them sails moving. But y'all, look at this. I woke up to a beautiful blessing this morning. Look, y'all see? Now, ain't that something to wake up to? Ain't that something? That's a deer. And I guess it's like really grassy there. And he found him somewhere to go. Back here, it's a little wet. And as y'all see, we got snow. And they talking about it's spring. Where? Where is the spring? Now, don't get me wrong. Calendar day falls on spring. I don't know. Do it look like spring to y'all? And it's cold. You guys, something's not right. I got like, I don't know if y'all can see, it is so crusty around my mouth, and it's like right here. I can't open my mouth all the way because it's like a crack. This weather is tearing up my skin, and you guys know I take very good care of my skin. Can y'all please tell me what the heck is going on with my mouth? Do y'all see? It's like blistery. I don't know. And my nails. Look here. Let me see if I can show y'all. Y'all know I keep, look at this. Y'all, what is going on? I had to cut this hand, as you can see. So this hand matches this hand now. because my fingernail just cracked off. It just popped off. Like, okay now, whatever you're gonna do, that's fine. But yeah, today's gonna be an interesting day. I gotta go to work later. I'm gonna bring y'all with me for some of it. Coffee, y'all, and yeah, we're gonna sit down for a minute. I'm gonna get ready to take me a shower in a minute, but like I was saying, I have to work today. So that's gonna be fun. I didn't have much coffee today, but I was like, I'm gonna add a little water to this. Y'all know how people used to make things do? That is exactly what I did this morning. Making things do. So no need to complain about stuff, right? When I just think back, it's like, no matter what I go through, my Father is always there with me. And the key to life, y'all, is not to worry. Please, if you have a problem with worrying, if you could just change your mindset from doing that, you'll be just fine. Everybody's going through something. It doesn't matter if yours is smaller than theirs, if theirs is greater than yours. Everybody is going through something. Just to have a place to live is amazing. I am so grateful. So y'all don't understand. I'm so grateful. I know that there is light at the end of this tunnel. I know it is. One of y'all was asking me about this. This is on Amazon, the humidifier, and it also comes in white. And it's really good, they said, for large bedrooms. And that's why I got it, because this place it looks small, but it's not small in here. It's a larger place, and it's an open space. So that's why I wanted it. And it smells so good in here. But here, y'all, want some coffee this morning? Cheers. My mouth is loosening up a little bit, but I think I have chapped lips. I've never in all my years have chapped lips. But honey, guess what? That ain't gonna stay like that, because she about to pound that shea butter on there, some coconut oil, every day, all day. But let me go take my shower. We'll take a shower, we'll get dressed, and I'll come back, okay? All right, y'all. I have an update for y'all. I'm getting ready to take a shower, but I got my Yardley. If you guys can see it, this is what I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna start using it today. Focus, camera. Can you focus? Yeah, come on. Okay, anyway, this is what we're gonna use today. I don't know why it's not focusing, because you guys know I had my last of my shea butter and some other stuff, and then I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture, and I'm gonna got that upside down. I improvise. I use everything until it's empty. So I'm gonna use the grapeseed oil on my face and my body and these crusty lips. All right, y'all, I am back. Y'all, I done been walking, exercising. I did 4 miles, been over my daughter, dropped some stuff off, came home, changed clothes. This is my outfit of the day. I got my rain boots on. Yes, ma'am. Got jeans. So the job requirements were white t-shirt, jeans. So I put on a belt because I don't want my pants to be falling off of me. And got me a cardigan, because I don't know if it's going to be cold. I do know what I'm supposed to be doing, but if I can bring you guys along, I will. Okay, so you can see what's going on behind closed doors. I ain't going to show y'all where I'm at, but I'll show you probably what I'm doing, because y'all know we got some jealous people on this channel, some weirdos and some crazy people, okay? So, yeah, I will see you guys when we get there. Hey, y'all, I'm here. That's what I wanted to show y'all. See that right there? That's what I wanted to show y'all. But I'm here. Getting ready to knock. See you guys shortly. Uh-oh, gotta push the button. Gotta push the button. Push the button, Sonia. And we're having a good time. Guys, this is actually fun. I got my little apron on. I'm working at a restaurant and I love learning new things. So guys, this was exciting to me. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of vlogging. It is Tuesday, March 26th, and it's a very good day. Y'all know what? It is 2:30 and I ain't go nowhere today so far. I ain't been nowhere. Didn't work, didn't do any of the things. But we're gonna go ahead and get this video started. I got some great news though. I got some news that I can be able to get a new sink. So y'all keep watching the vlogs and then you might see that. But in today's vlog, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this plant. I want to get my plant, my fiddle little fig baby planted today. So come along with me for that. All right, let's get started. Y'all, but before we get started, I had to get my dirt, get my paper. Look at this baby right here. Look at her. Ain't she looking good? Look, y'all. And she got a new baby right there. Y'all see her? But this is how she is thriving today. Look at that. Glorious, glorious, glorious. Y'all get some house plants. They bring your space to life. Okay. Outfit check, let's go. She got the bag, she got the goods, she got to go. Where's she going? I don't know. We'll see when we get there. Oh, y'all. How many of y'all, I'm so tired of paying these dang on bills, okay? I'm tired of all these bills. Thank God you're able to pay them, but come on, y'all. Sun up to sundown. Either we working, we paying bills, we slaving, we doing the most, but I'm tired of it. Girl need a vacation. I need a vacation. How many of y'all need a vacation? She need a vacation. She needs a vacation. Hi, how are you? I'm gonna pay that in full. How are you today? That's good. Every time, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, they I didn't know Kraft do that. These are plant-based slices. Yep. And I can this salad. I'll probably eat that later. Okay. Yeah, because I made tacos yesterday. Did you see that? Yeah. That little short video? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Green beans. I can always use green beans. Yeah, that stuff is helping out a blessing.
Oh, yeah.
I know Sonari gave me some stuff the other day.
I had meat and stuff in the freezer tonight.
Okay.
Get it tonight.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Cause I know I didn't say nothing. What is it?
It's not full of sunshine.
I don't know what that could be. I didn't send anything.
Amazon. I don't know who it came from.
You think Shelly sent something?
Shelly don't even. Probably bro.
Mm-hmm.